Alright, so I'm back at you with another DIY. You see these cool Converse? These are the low top Converse. I've already started pretty much on this design. One of my customers requested this design, pretty much sent us a picture of an image that they saw online and asked us if we could duplicate it. And I said, hell yeah. So this is pretty much one of the shoes. It's fairly simple design process, and I actually did the inner portion of the second shoe here. As you can see, it's like a triangular design, pretty much in the rhinestone form. So 1 2 3 4, I counted 4 down from the loop, and that's where I cut off. This is a small shoe. I think this is a size 6. Yeah, a size 5 or a size 6. So depending on how large the shoe is, the more work that you're going to have to do. So pretty much in this tutorial, I'm going to pretty much show you how to do this section and to finish up the other portions of the shoe. So let's get started. So pretty much I'm using SS16 size rhinestones, and I'm just going to sporadically put them on here. I kind of tried to put them in a slant. You can do them how you want to. Try to do them in a slant going down.